Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix the Instagram problem we're reviewing your info error. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first thing that you'll need to do for to be able to possibly fix this problem is to fill the Instagram reactivation form. So you should use the following steps right here to fill up the form and request the reactivation of your account. So the first of all, that what you'll need to do is to visit the Instagram account reactivation form provided by Instagram, and then just fill in all relevant fields such as your full name, your Instagram username, and the email connected to your account and your country. And then next, just describe what happened and mention that you are unable to log in without a clear reason. State that you suspect your account may have been hacked. And then after that, click onto the send button to submit the form and avoid filling out multiple forms to prevent your IP address from being blocked and to ensure a smoother review process by Instagram support. And then after doing this one, what you need to do is to send a photo with verification code. So again, use this following step to send a photo with a verification code to your Instagram. So first of all, check your email box, including the spam folder or an automated email from Instagram after submitting the activation form. Then take a picture of yourself holding the verification code provided in the mail. Next, just reply the email from the Instagram and attach the photo with the verification code, and now send the email with the attached photo to Instagram for further verification. And next, what you need to do is to wait for the support team to reply. So what you need to do here, so after completing the previous steps, patiently wait for the Instagram's decision regarding the reactivation of your account, and then regularly check the email address you provided for any updates or notifications from Instagram. And now allow Instagram some time to review your case and make a decision. And just finally, if your account is reactivated, you will receive an email from Facebook support notifying you of the reactivation and confirming your access to the account. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.